Hi, it's Gina with WTI. I try to pack my lunch as often as possible when I'm away from the home so that I can still eat healthy and save some money. Having something cute and handy to pack my lunch into makes it more likely that I'll actually do it. This adorable little bento box from Bentoheaven has been perfect for all my lunch packing needs. One of the things that I like about it so much is that it is airtight. So I like to pack things that sometimes can be a little bit on the smellier side, like fish or broccoli. Having the air plug and the really good silicone air seal on each of the compartments helps to keep things fresh and keep my lunch bag or fridge from getting smelly. I like having the different compartments and even the divider so that it keeps my food separate, and I'm able to pack a variety of things without having them mix all together or have separate containers. I love that there's a variety of cutlery that comes with it, including chopsticks, and they just fit right on top of the top container, and it makes it so easy for me just to pull this out even if I'm in the car and eat when I need to. I like that if I haven't finished my entire lunch and there's some leftovers, I can put these straight into the fridge or take it straight out of the fridge or out of my lunchbox and put it right into the microwave and eat it straight from there. So it cuts down on me having to have multiple things to wash. This bento box comes in a variety of different colors, but you're sure to find one that's going to meet whatever color scheme that you're looking for. Eating lunch is now fun with this little bento box. I just love using it, and that's my point of view.